Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very simplistic instructional tutorial. So I'm going to be addressing the topic of how to switch from a shower head to a handheld shower unit. And once again, this will be an easy tutorial. Let's get right into this video instructional tutorial. So once again, I'll be showing you and telling you specifically how to switch from a shower head up at the top to a handheld shower unit that's off here to the side. And this will be an easy tutorial with super easy instructions. Let's get into this instructional video. As you can see over here, this is my basement shower. I do apologize for the super obnoxious echo. Okay, I like to call it a shower tower. Essentially, you have the actual shower head, which is up here at the top, sort of like a rainfall style shower head over here. It's a basement, mind you, so the ceiling is quite low. This is only 7-foot ceiling. I can touch the top of the ceiling, and I'm only 5'7". So I actually think this is even a little bit less than 7 feet. Maybe this is like 6'10". But anyways, that's why. So the shower head is up here, not super tall, but definitely tall enough for a person that's my height. Okay, you can see me. Oh, wow, I didn't realize you could see everything I was doing. Anyways, shower head at the top. Handheld shower over here, and then you got some little jets here for an added bonus. Okay, these only get used once every month or so. But the handheld shower I use all the time to clean it, and the shower head I use every day. I shower down here basically on a nightly basis. Sometimes I'll use the other showers in the house, but most of the time this is basically my shower. Just my wife and my kids know this is like no one else really uses it because it's a basement shower. No one wants to come down here, so I get lucky enough that I basically get to call it basically my own shower. Anyways. This is how to switch between the two. Now you're going to look at your unit. There's going to be a knob of some sort that is somewhere that is connected to either the shower head or the handheld shower. Usually these two, so the shower head and the handheld shower unit, are connected via like a pipe of some sort. Okay, so in like my ensuite bathroom, they're connected via a pipe, and there's a separate button that you push to go between the two. But on this one over here, it's within the unit itself. You're going to look for a button or a knob of some sort or a lever that will show you that you're going to switch between them. And essentially, when the water is running, okay, the water will be coming out of the shower head, usually by default. And then when you switch it to the handheld shower, it will then go to the handheld shower. In this case over here, the handheld shower is connected via a pipe over here. And behind the scenes, within the shower tower, it's all connected via many different pipes. It looks really cool behind the scenes. I did a separate video on the one that I removed from here because my old one broke, so I removed it and replaced it. My cousin's a plumber, so I could do it myself, but I got him to do it because he's a pro. Behind the scenes, it's crazy all the pipe work that goes into this. So anyways, let's go over the example of switching between the two. I'm going to try and not get soaked. So I'm going to stand back here. Hopefully there's no centipedes because it is a basement shower. You know, centipedes are basically my best friend down here. Like there's always, every couple of days I'll find a centipede or a spider. It is what it is. It's a basement shower. It's damp. That's how it works. So hopefully I don't befriend any centipedes in this video. All right, so anyways, we're going to turn this on. Very simple. You can see the shower's on. Get a little bit wet. It's okay. Hey, smash the like button if you're... I'm basically almost going to take a shower with my clothes on at this point. Look how close I am. So smash that like button if you appreciate this, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to change it to the handheld, which is this knob over here. The handheld is in the lower right, okay? So I'm going to turn it like this, and there you go. We're cleaning the shower, handheld mode. Mount it back there. You want to go back up to the top, switch it back up to the top, okay? And most of the time it's going to be intuitive, and I'll tell you what. So I'll turn this off. So once again, handheld over here, shower head over here. I'm not going to show you the jets because they might spray the camera. I don't know how they're angled. I don't remember. Okay, so most of the time it's intuitive, meaning it's going to be a button. It's going to be something that's going to let you know that that's what you got to do to make it switch. In this case, when the knob points up, right? You're going upwards to the shower head, upwards. Think about it like that because the shower head is upwards, okay? I'm going to wash off my hands here. When the knob is pointed to the lower right, you're going to the handheld because it's on the right side. And then obviously you can rotate it to the lower left, which will go to the jets. But that's it. That's how to switch between a shower head and a handheld shower unit. And a full tutorial, easy instructions, and that's it. Honestly, I hope you guys truly enjoy the lengths that I go to make this content. I'm always up to something crazy. Like I'm always up to doing a video in this location. That I'm always everywhere, right? So hopefully you enjoy the fact that literally I have to get into the shower and avoid the water. Not that it's a massive deal, but hopefully you appreciate that. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.